So when you live in the Appalachian Mountains, you never know what you're going to find running around your property. As you can see here, with one look out the window, there's no telling what you'll see. Like this groundhog who has made its way out of its burrow from those harsh winter months to prepare for spring. And as you can see, they're definitely full of energy as this one keeps exploring the banks, just looking for something to eat and possibly to make a nest for their babies who will be arriving soon. This one was very adventurous in checking out every tree, going alongside the banks, looking for something fresh to forage on. I think it is quite interesting to watch their mannerisms as they scurry along carefully, looking at their surroundings, while at the same time, they're on a mission. They know exactly what they're looking for, yet they stay close to their nest so that they can have that hole to get back into for safety. Always going to the top to check it out. But now this little critter decided that he was going to start gathering leaves from the top of the ground and some branches. Just watch how he stuffs his cheeks. It is quite interesting to watch. It's like they're carefully selecting each individual leaf from a certain area that they want. Just watch him go. And as you can see, it gets its cheeks full relatively quickly. Watch it pack it in there, getting as much as it can. Still stuffing, as if that is not a funny sight or what. So from that point, I think it is safe to say that they're patting their den with fresh, dry leaves as the months get warmer for those babies. What do you think?